What we're looking at today is the 7-inch lights from Big Red Gear. These lights come with 5-watt Osram bulbs that produces 5,700 degrees Kelvin, and yeah, good looking lights. These lights come with a heavy duty stainless steel mounting system with rubber dampening system. It's rated IP65 to keep water and dust out, and it gives you 1 lux at 710 and 10 lux at 220 meters. Great for driving, great for the bush, and yeah, we're going to fit them today, so there'll be a fitment video. So make sure to follow, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.